Okay, question 4. Let's do it as fast as I can. I like short videos. You can pause it. X squared minus 2x minus 8. It says sketch the graph. How am I going to sketch the graph? Basically, I rewrite this. Minus 2x minus 8. I'm supposed to add and subtract something. Basically, I want to complete this square. How do I know what the c value is? I'll call it a c value. C equals, take that middle term, minus 2 over 2. Square it. Okay, divide by 2, square. C equals minus 1 squared equals 1. Plus 1 minus 1. All right, this becomes x minus 1 squared. How do I know? Because that's the way I planned it. That's why I completed the square in the first place. Minus 9. Let's graph it. Go down 9. Go in the positive direction. And put the step pattern. Let's erase some of my features. Put a step pattern. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Okay, close enough. It tells me to get any intercepts. The intercept is minus 2, 0. Another intercept is 5, 0. My vertex is minus 9, 1, minus 9. Okay, what else does it tell me to do? Coordinates of the vertex, the equation of the axis of symmetry. That's just equal to whatever that is. X equals 1. And finally, the range. Range is basically all real numbers such that y is greater than or equal to negative 9. Now, some of you are always asking me for the term, the formal notation, x element of real numbers such that x greater or equal to 6. Okay, done. 4b. Done. 4, oh, for God's sakes. 4b. We have y equals x squared minus 6x. I'm just going to go ahead and write plus 10. Why? Because we're going to add and subtract something. What are we going to add? We're going to take this number, minus 6, divided by 2, and square it. Now, do you notice that I always write minus 6, but it doesn't matter because we're squaring it anyway. So it's always going to be positive. I don't know why I bother even putting the minus, but I do anyway. 3 equals, 3 squared equals 9. These are all c values. Plus 9, minus 9. What do we end up getting? We end up getting y equals x minus 3 squared minus 9 plus 10 plus 1. So we have a plus 1, negative 3, go in the positive direction. Step patterns 1, 3, 5, etc. 1, 3, 5. And there's no intercepts except this y-intercept. And this y-intercept is 0, 10. The vertex is 3, 1. And my axis of symmetry is just x equals 3. And the range is all real numbers such that y is greater than or equal to 1. And guess how you write it? You write it like this. Set of y is element of real numbers such that y is greater than or equal to 1. That's it. Done. Last question. Let's do D. 4D. and that's equal to y. Let's rearrange it off the bat. X squared minus 12x plus 40. I rearranged it off the bat. If you're wondering, why did I write x squared? It's because the x squared appears right there. Then I did minus 12x, then I did plus 40. Okay, so let's do that. Y equals x squared minus 12x plus something minus something plus 40. Now, to be honest, there's a different way to do it. In fact, I'm just going to do it a different way. See this plus 40? I'm not even going to write that. I'm going to decompose this. I could do that. And I did it once in the examples earlier. What's my C value? C equals 12 over 2 squared. Some of you are going to wonder, why didn't I write minus 12? Because it doesn't matter. I'm going to square it later. Well, that's equal to, what's that equal to? 6 squared, or minus 6 squared, which is equal to 36. Make sense? So guess what I'm going to do with this 40? I'm just going to decompose it into 36. I need a 36 here. But 36 and 4 make up 40. So what am I going to do? Y equals x plus, oops, it has to be minus. See from this minus? Minus 6 plus 4. Easy. Go that way 6, go up 4, 1, 3, 5. Whoops. I hope you can't hear that. That's my stomach. Okay, here's my point. Let's just do the range. Range equals set of y element of all real numbers such that y is greater than or equal to 4. Close my set brackets. Okay, let's write that in. I know you guys don't like that, and you don't need to know it like that yet. Range is all real, let's erase that. I don't want scribbles when you write tests. All real numbers such that y is greater than or equal to 4. What's my axis? X equals to 6. Do I have any intercepts? I'm not going to mark any intercepts. Okay, there's no x-intercepts. And I'm not going to bother finding the y. It's not even in my graph. Done.